If you're wondering how much Suno AI costs, here's a quick breakdown of all three plans. First, the free plan costs nothing. You get 50 credits every day, which is enough for around 10 songs. However, songs created on the free plan are for non-commercial use. Next is the Pro plan, which costs $8 per month when billed annually. You get 2,500 credits every month, access to Suno's latest models, advanced editing tools, and commercial rights for new songs you create while subscribed. Finally, there's the Premier plan at $24 per month when billed annually. You get 10,000 credits per month, plus everything in Pro and access to Suno Studio for more advanced music production. So if you just want to test to Suno, the free plan is enough. For content creators and regular users, Pro is probably the best option. And if you're producing music at a much higher volume, Premiere gives you the most credits and features. Prices can change, so always check Suno's official pricing page before subscribing.